Firstly, spot on 5 microliters of a polysaccharide in solution onto a nitrocellulose sheet that has been divided into 1 centimeter squared squares. In this video, different commercial polysaccharides were used with a dilution of 1:5 going down the nitrocellulose. This method can be used to determine how soil adheres to plant root mucilage, fungal mucilage, or bacterial mucilage. Different dilutions also can be used. For gelatinous polysaccharides, you may need to cut a small section of the tip to aid pipetting. Once complete, cover the nitrocellulose sheet and leave to air dry for a couple of hours. When the nitrocellulose is dried, re-dampen the sheet with deionized water. The soil used to cover the nitrocellulose has been sieved to remove any larger particles and sterilized. After layering the nitrocellulose with soil, cover the sheet and air dry overnight. Gently lift the nitrocellulose sheet to remove excess soil. Submerge the nitrocellulose sheet into approximately 120 milliliters of deionized water for 1 second and then remove. Repeat this step once more for around 1 second. After the washes, place the sheet into a fresh weighing boat, cover and then air dry for a couple more hours. To scan, place the sheet face down onto a flatbed scanner. ImageJ was used to quantify the soil adhesion blot. In order to quantify the blot, a 1 centimeter line will be required to set the scale. You can use that from the nitrocellulose, which has the lines drawn on it. To set the scale, click on Analyze and then Set Scale. After the scale is set, draw a circle around one of the dots at the top of the nitrocellulose blot. Note the area size, as this has to be the same for all the other dots. After the dot is selected, click on Analyze and then Set Measurements. Ensure mean grey value is ticked. After checking values, close the toolbar, then press on Analyze and Measure. Collect all the values and open them on the spreadsheet. Remove the background values from the results to produce your mean grey values for your dots. Please note that the larger the mean grey value, the more soil has adhered to the nitrocellulose. This figure shows the final output you will get.